Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 12th of November. So just before we begin then, if you'd like to connect with us, feel free to do so, should I say, and connect with us through our social media channels. Also, just to let you know that we have our 30-minute Capital Growth Live Trade Room every evening, Monday to Thursday, where we assess the markets, look for high probability trading opportunities, where we look for these opportunities on daily timeframes. So having a bigger picture view of these markets, what that often helps is our traders. It gives them a bit of a heads up going into the trading day the following day. So very useful multi-purpose session that Thursday, every Monday to Thursday at 9 p.m. just for 30 minutes. And we have our signal service as well for those traders that have more time during the day to engage with these markets. We have this daily Trade Watch video, which we publish every day. And another example is we have our trading mentorship webinar every Thursday at 8 p.m. So if you are interested in these products and services, then feel free to go to our website. Do have a look around. We've got some very affordable membership options there available for you. And that was our risk warning. So let's get straight in to discuss some opportunities for the day ahead. So for this, we'll get up. And really, we've and let me show you on a smaller time frame first. So we've had a very, very significant explosive move in a relatively short period of time, and the reason for that move is very much down to Nigel Farage, who's the leader of the Brexit party, has decided to withdraw from 317 Conservative Party seats, meaning that they won't be contesting those seats with the Conservative Party, so they're less likely to split the vote. So that's a huge boost for Boris Johnson. So he's likely to get the vast majority of the Brexit votes, and that may be enough to get him into power. And as a result, we've seen the pound strengthen quite considerably across the board in a relatively short period of time before we actually saw a bit of a bounce. Expecting these markets to continue lower, but as you can see, we've seen a structural failure, and these markets just bounce a little bit off that level. But really, for the majority of the day, certainly the US trading session, we've pretty much moved sideways. So no significant sort of price action. However, what if these markets start rolling over back to the downside, which is what we anticipate to happen, and we get a break of this daily low down here, then it does represent a really significant opportunity, because if you look at the last 3 weeks, 3 and a bit weeks, we've seen this market really move sideways. So this is a definition of a consolidated market from 85.74 to the downside to somewhere around 86.50 up at these highs up here. So a very significant consolidation. The overall trend is very much more recently to the downside, and we're looking for continuation of that trend below the 85.58. So that is our high probability trading opportunity that we'll be looking at for the day. And we appreciate, the close of this market has pulled back probably a little bit too much. But if we start seeing some rollover price action and it starts squeezing down to this 85.58, it then starts becoming a really interesting trade for us over the course of the trading day. So do keep your eyes open for that one. Okay, so that just about concludes this trading daily Trade Watch video. So you've got our contact details on there through our different social media channels. We have our Capital Growth Live Trade Room for 30 minutes at 9 p.m. every Monday to Thursday. We have our 2% per week signal service for our traders. We publish this video, 3 or 4 minute video every day. So do subscribe to that. Go to our website, and our trading mentorship webinar as well every Thursday night. So we've got a lot of products and services available to help you on your way to becoming a profitable trader. So for more information, go to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com. And thank you very much for joining us as always. So we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.